Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account is eligible. Confirm phone or government ID if prompted, and remove any recent alternate names. Once done, clear cookies or use an incognito window and open Facebook in a desktop browser because the interface exposes more name options. Make sure you have a simple single-word name ready and a profile photo that matches identity hints. These reduce flags. Begin the name change flow immediately to avoid extra edits that can trigger verification. You now switch Facebook's display language to one that commonly permits single names. The interface will then accept a single token in the name field. Once switched, go to Settings, choose Name, and type your one-word name into the given field. Make sure to double-check capitalization and no extra spaces, then save. If Facebook asks for verification immediately, upload the requested document or photo. This approach leverages locale-specific validation, so act quickly after saving. You finish by reverting the language back to your preferred setting and confirming the one-word name displays across your profile and posts. If Facebook rejects the change or flags the account, use the Help Center's verification upload to submit ID or other requested documents. Make sure the file names and photo quality are clear to speed review. If the name hasn't propagated, wait 24 to 48 hours and avoid further edits to prevent additional cooldowns or automated reversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.